Well, now it's 4:16 p.m. in the afternoon. I managed to get the entire fender liner in. And it's in. I don't mind flashlight. But this part is pretty tough. This part is tough too. This one, the hole lines up. Here is the splash shield, and there's another hole. I need to get my flashlight, otherwise you can't see anything. Yeah, I'm working off a sweat now. Always do this in a good weather. Cool weather, not hot weather. So okay, here's the hole. I need to move it. Like that. Yeah, all the holes. This hole is gonna be lined up like this. The hole is gonna line up like this. And here's a hole. Bunch of them. Here's another one. Okay, now I just have to screw it back in. Pain. Now I know how to do it. Now I know what to do. Okay, now I'm gonna break out my new Fender clip. Retaining clip.